Today, I'm sharing a recipe for homemade crispy flour from this ingredient. This recipe was requested by the viewer. In the case that Gogi Tempura Flour is not available, this recipe can be used to fry crispy fish, chicken, and vegetable. Alternatively, a ready-made tempura flour from any brand works well too. Here is how to make homemade crispy flour for one-time use. We will need 5 tablespoons of rice flour, 4 tablespoons of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, and half teaspoon of baking powder. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Use a whisk to mix all the ingredients until well combined. Alright, the one-time use homemade crispy flour is ready. It is very simple. I will leave it aside for now. Alright, now I will make a bigger batch to keep for storage. This recipe yields about 1 kg of homemade crispy flour. I will be using the same ingredients, measuring them with the measurement scale and mixing them in a larger mixing bowl. Rice flour. There is 470 grams here. I will remove 70 grams and use the rest. Alright, 400 grams of rice flour. Put them in the mixing bowl. Next, 380 grams of wheat flour. As the bowl is too small, I should have used a bigger one. I will split the measurement. Okay, 200 grams here. Add it in the bowl. And 180 grams of wheat flour. Add it in the mixing bowl. Next, 160 grams of corn flour. Add all in the mixing bowl. Lastly, I need 15 grams of baking powder. Perfect. Add it in the mixing bowl. Mix it until well combined. I am using a hand whisk, but a scraper, spatula, or spoon will be great too. Alright, all done. The simple homemade 1 kg of crispy flour is ready. And now, we have 2 bowls of homemade crispy flour. Keep the crispy flour in an airtight container with a large opening so that it can be easily accessible, like this one. Close it tightly and label it with the name and the date made. It can be kept in a room temperature for a long time. As long as there is no bugs, the flour will be good to use. The crispy flour can also be stored in the freezer for an even longer time. For me, this amount can be used within 2 to 3 weeks. As this crispy flour is a base flour, different seasoning can be added as preferred, depending on the type of food being cooked. For today, I will be cooking deep fried chicken. So I will show the seasoning I used with the crispy flour for fried chicken. Add in half tablespoon of sugar, quarter teaspoon of pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, and about 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Mix well. Add about 100 ml of ice cold water and mix until well combined. The consistency should be thick like this, as the chicken has a bit of water to dilute the flour. Once it has coated the chicken, it should be perfect. However, if using the crispy flour batter for the dry food like sweet potato or yam, the consistency should be slightly thinner than this. Add in about 25 ml of water and mix. It is too thin now. Add in 2 more tablespoons of crispy flour and mix. Alright, this is the perfect consistency for everything. Stay tuned for more recipes using this homemade crispy flour. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!